Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Surendra Singh. So today I brought a video for the science sample papers for CBSE, and on the other side I request the students of MBOS that please have a patience, please wait, you'll be getting the sample paper for English and also mathematics, computer science, and the class 12 MBOS also you are getting the sample paper for chemistry and mathematics very soon. So please have a patience, have a wait. So in the meantime, I have decided to give sample paper for class 10 CBSE students who are appearing the examination 2021 in the month of May. So uh, students, now the CBSE students, you have to prepare these samples questions for coming board exam, and in the board exam now you will be understanding, you will be knowing that how the question will come in your board coming exam. If you study all these simple papers, you practice all these simple papers very nicely, and at the same time you have to read your book thoroughly, NCERT book you have to read thoroughly, and you have to stick to the syllabus which is given by the board. If you don't have the syllabus given in new syllabus or the reduced syllabus given by the board, then you can post in a comment. I will give you the reduced syllabus of the CBSE also for science, mathematics, and all the subjects which you need. And I hope that by getting these sample papers, till the time is there, it is the month of January only, February, March, April, 3 months are there, so you can prepare very confidently and you can have ample of time to prepare for your exam. So students, let's start the sample papers of science today. Okay, so now we see that the science, class 10 sample question paper for 2020-21, and you have a maximum mark of 80 and the time allotted will be 3 hours. The general instructions they will give, you have to read the general instruction also before writing the questions answers. The question paper comprised 4 sections, A, B, C and D. There are 36 questions in the question paper and all questions are compulsory. Section A, question number 1 to 20, all questions and part thereof are 1 mark each. These questions contain multiple choice questions, MCQ, very short answer questions, and assertion reason type questions. These questions will be given in one word or one sentence. Remember that. Section B, these questions number 21 to 26 are short answer type questions carrying 2 marks each. Answer to these questions should be in the range of 30 to 50 words. And section C, question number 27 to 33 are the short answer type questions carrying 3 marks each. Answer to these questions should be in the range of 50 to 80 marks or 80 words. और सेक्शन डी का जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 से 36 आर लॉन्ग आंसर होंगे टाइप क्वेश्चंस कैरिंग 5 मार्क, एंड आंसर टू दीज क्वेश्चंस शुड बी इन द रेंज ऑफ 80 टू 120 वर्ड्स. तो आपको ये देखना है कि इसकी मार्किंग क्या है और कितने वर्ड्स में हम लिखते हैं. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पॉइंट नंबर 6 इज दे हैव गिवन सेक्शन डी में क्वेश्चन नंबर कितना से 34 से 36 तक होगा, and these are long answer type questions carrying 5 marks होगा इसमें. Answer to these questions should be in the range of 80 to 120 words. ये आपको 80 to 120 words के बीच में लिखना पड़ेगा. And there is no overall choice. आपको choice नहीं मिलेगी. However, internal choice have been provided in some question. A student has to attempt only one of the alternative in each question. Now कहीं कहीं पर चॉइस भी दिया गया है, तो 2 चॉइस में आइदर और में एक को आपको आंसर करना है. एंड क्योंकि कभी कभी बच्चे ऐसा होता है कि आइदर और दोनों आंसर कर देते हैं, तो ऐसी गलती नहीं करना आप लोगों को. आइदर और में से एक ही आंसर करना है. यू हैव टू आंसर ओनली वन इन आइदर एंड और. यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट एंड चूज. वेरेवर नेसेसरी यू हैव टू नीट एंड प्रॉपर्ली लेवल डायग्राम शुड बी ड्रॉन. जहाँ पर डायग्राम की आवश्यकता है वहाँ आप लोग डायग्राम को ड्रॉ करेंगे। तो चलते हैं सेक्शन ए में। मार्क्स दिया गया है राइट साइड में, मार्क्स इज गिवन ऑन राइट साइड एंड क्वेश्चंस आर देयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर इज इन द एग्जाम, डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर। इफ यू कैन नॉट राइट द होल क्वेश्चन, you have to write answer to question number 1 like that. Section A, answer to question number 1. Section A, answer to question number 2, like that you have to write in your exam. Okay, so section A, question number 1, list any two observation when ferrous sulfate is heated in the dry test tube, or identify the product formed when 1 milliliter of dilute hydrochloric acid is added to 1 gram of sodium metal. Okay, 1 milliliter of hydrochloric acid को 1 ग्राम सोडियम मेटल में ऐड करने से रिएक्शन होगा इनके बीच में, सोडियम और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड में, Na plus HCl. What will be the product? Okay, then write the chemical name and chemical formula of the salt used to remove the permanent hardness of water, right? And which of the following is not observed in a homologous series? Give reason for your choice. Okay, change in chemical properties, difference in CS2 and 14U molecular mass. Okay, and U means a unit, 14 unit molecular mass, then the gradation in physical properties and same functional group. Then question number 4, why does the sun appears white at noon? Okay, why does the sun appears white at noon? Then question number 5, we have question number 5 is there both a spherical mirror, okay, both a spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have a focal length of 15 centimeter, or focal length of minus 15 centimeter. What type of mirror and the lens are these? Okay, you know the formula, you know the sign convention, okay, of the focal length 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. There is formula for mirror, and the lens 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now you have to find the sign convention. So by getting the sign convention, you can find out which type of mirror and which kinds of lens are there. The focal length will be negative. Okay, then the image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be real, inverted, and larger than the object. Where is the object placed? Or name the part of a lens through which a ray of light passes without suffering any deviation. Okay, so here very simple question is there. Either a have to select between two, only one. Okay, then we go to number 7. In the arrangement shown in the figure, there are two coils are there. Coil 1 and coil 2 is there. Owned or non-conducting cylindrical, not initially the key is not cylindrical rod, and initially the key is not inserted in the circuit. Okay, you see no key is inserted in the circuit, and later the key is inserted and then removed shortly after. Then what are the two observations that can be noted from the galvanometer reading? Okay, so then we have question number 8. Now draw the magnetic field lines around a straight current carrying conductor. And number 9, two unequal resistance are connected in parallel. If you are not provided with any other parameters, example, you can say numerical values of I and R. I is the current, R is the resistance. What can be said about the voltage drop across the two resistors? Or, okay, some work is done to move a charge Q from infinity to a point A in space. The potential of the point A is given as V. What is the work done to move this charge from infinity in terms of Q and V? Then number 10, okay, veins are the thin walled and have valve justify. 11, how is the wall of small intestine adapted for performing the function of absorption of food? Or out of the golden tiger and a tiger, which one will have a longer small intestine? Justify your answer. And explain how ozone, being a deadly poison, can still perform an essential function for our environment. Or give reason why a food chain cannot be more than 4 trophic levels, right? Okay, then we go to number 13. State the role of pancreas in digestion of food. Only 1 mark they have given. Okay, then so here this is a very important point for question number 14, 15 and 16. Two statements are given, one label assertion A and the other label region R. Select the correct answer to these questions from the code A, B, C and D and given below. So A means both A and R. Assertion and region are true, and R means the region is correct. An explanation of the assertion. And B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. A is the assertion, R is the region. Okay, so number 14. So you have to write like this. Okay, you have to write. Select the correct answer from these from the codes A, B, C, D are given below. Okay, so number 14. After whitewashing the walls, a shiny white finish on wall is obtained. After 2 or 3 days, reason is there why this shiny wall is obtained, because the calcium oxide reacts with the carbon dioxide to form calcium hydrogen carbonate, which gives shiny white finish. So here, okay, so here which one is correct? A or B or C or D you have to write. Okay, right? You have to write which is answer. You have to write A or B or C or D, like that, 1 mark. Now 15 assertion. See, food chain is responsible for the entry of the harmful chemicals in our bodies. Reason is there, the length and complexity of food chain vary greatly. Or we can say assertion, greater number of individuals are present in the lower trophic levels. Reason will be the flow of energy is unidirectional. So which one is correct? You have to write here. Then 16. Assertion, a genetist crossed a pea plant having a violet flower with a pea plant with a white flower. He got all violet flowers in the first generations. Reason, the white color gene is not passed on to the next generation. Okay, then again question number 17 to 20 contain 5 subparts. Each you are expected to answer any 4 subparts in this question. Any 4 you have to write. So read the following and answer the 4 questions from 17:1 to 17:5. Okay, so here you have to answer any 4, right? All living cells require energy for various activities. This energy is available for the breakdown of simple carbohydrates either using oxygen or without using oxygen. Number 1, energy in the case of higher plants and animals is obtained by breathing. Options are there. Breathing, tissue respiration, C, organ respiration, D, digestion of the food. Then we have number 2, the graph below represent the blood lactic acid concentration of an athlete during a race of 400 meters and shows a peak at point D. You see that peak is point D. So, the lactic acid production has occurred in the athlete while running in the 400-meter race. Which of the following process explain this event? Aerobic respiration. So why lactic acid is formed? You have to know that, whether it is formed in anaerobic respiration or aerobic respiration. So number A, aerobic respiration. Number B, anaerobic respiration. C, fermentation. D, breathing. Okay, then we go to question number 3 now. Study the graph below that represents the amount of energy supplied with respect to time while an athlete is running at a full speed. Okay, so x-axis we have time running at the full speed in minute, and y-axis we have the energy supplied. Okay, so they have plotted the 2 graphs, okay, graph A and graph B. So here choose the correct answer of plots and justify provided in the following table. Okay, why this graph is there? Justify. Plot A and plot B, they have given justification. Plot A is aerobic, plot B anaerobic. Justification is see, aerobic respiration means if the respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic if the respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. That I think you know, all of you. So justification here for option E, amount of energy is low and inconsistent in aerobic and high in anaerobic. Number B, aerobic and anaerobic. Plot B, aerobic. Plot A, aerobic, and plot B, anaerobic. Amount of energy is high and consistent in aerobic and low in anaerobic. C, anaerobic. Plot B, aerobic. Amount of energy is high and consistent in aerobic and low in anaerobic. Okay, D, plot A, anaerobic. Plot B, aerobic. Amount of energy is high and inconsistent in aerobic and low in aerobic. Okay, then number 4 now. Okay, the characteristic processes observed in anaerobic respiration are a presence of oxygen, okay, release of the carbon dioxide, and release of energy, release of lactic acid. So A will be 1 and 2 only. Okay, B will be 1, 2, 3 only. C will be okay 2, 3 and 4 only. And then option D will be 4 only. So which is correct answer there? Okay, what will be the characteristic process observed in anaerobic respiration? Okay, then number 5, we have this study the table below and select the row that has the incorrect information. So only you have to select the row that has called the incorrect information, not the correct information. So number A, location, means they want to ask you whether in which part of a cell aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration takes place, what is the end product of aerobic and anaerobic respiration, what is the amount of ATP generated, and how much, whether oxygen is required or not required, needed or not needed. Okay, so number A, location, aerobic cytoplasm and aerobic mitochondria, I say that. Incorrect, you have to find out. Okay, and end product CO2 and water, aerobic and anaerobic ethanol and carbon dioxide. Amount of ATP, aerobic high, anaerobic low. Oxygen level and aerobic needed, oxygen required in aerobic respiration, and anaerobic oxygen is now not needed. So which is incorrect, you have to select. Okay, very simple. So now number 18 we have, read the following and answer any 4 questions from 18.1 to 18.5. Okay, metallic character, the ability of an atom to the ability of an atom to donate electrons and form positive ion. A cation, positive ion is called as cation, is known as the electropositive or metallic character. Down the group, if you go down in a group in the periodic table, then metallic character increases due to increase in atomic size and across the period from left to right. Electropositivity decreases due to decrease in atomic size. Okay, then you see non-metallic character. The ability of an atom to accept electrons to form a negative ion, anion, is called non-metallic character or electronegativity. Now the elements having high electronegativity have a higher tendency to gain electrons and form anion. Okay, down the group, electronegativity decreases due to increase in atomic size, and across the period from left to right, electronegativity increases due to decrease in atomic size. So here is the graph they have given. Atomic size x-axis, y-axis atomic radius. Okay, atomic radius they have given. So now atomic number increases. Okay, now the graph is there. So okay, question number 18. Now which of the following correct represents the decreasing order of metallic character of alkali metal plotted in the graph? Okay. So option number A is cesium, rhodium, lithium, sodium, potassium, like that they have given. So A, B, C, D option, which you select one. Then 18.2, hydrogen is placed along with the alkali metal in the modern periodic table through it shows their non-metallic character. So options are there. Why hydrogen is placed along with the alkali metal in the modern periodic table, though it shows a non-metallic character? So number A, as hydrogen has one electron and readily loses electron to form negative ion. Number B, as hydrogen can easily lose one electron like alkali metal to form the positive ion. Number C, as hydrogen can give one electron easily like halogen to form the negative ion. Number D, as hydrogen shows the property of the nonmetals. Okay, then 18.3, which of the following has highest electronegativity? Number A, F means fluorine, then chlorine, bromine and iodine. So 18.4, identify the reason for the gradual change in electronegativity in halogen down the group. So number A, electronegativity increases due to group due to decrease in atomic size. Electronegativity means You see, all metals are electropositive, all non-metals are electronegative. So electronegativity decreases down the group due to decrease in tendency to lose electrons. C. Electronegativity decreases down the group due to increase in atomic radius. Tendency to gain electron decreases. Okay, number D. Electronegativity increases down the group due to increase in forces of attraction between the nucleus and the valence electrons. Okay, 18.5 now here. Which of the following reason correctly justify the fluorine 72 picometer has smaller atomic radius than lithium 152 picometer? Now F, fluorine and lithium Li are the same group atomic size increases due to the down the group. Then fluorine and lithium are in the same period. Atomic size increases across the period due to increase in number of cells. And F and Li, fluorine and lithium are the same group. Atomic size decreases down the group. And you see, fluorine and lithium are in the same period, and across the period, atomic size or oblique radius decreases from left to right. Okay. Then here read the following and answer 4 questions 19.1 to 19.5. The 5 questions are there. Out of these, you have to answer only 4 questions. Now, okay, Sumati wanted to see the stars of the night sky. She knows that she needs a telescope to see these distant stars. Okay, she finds out the telescope which are made of lenses are called as the refractive telescope, and the one which are made of mirrors are called as the reflecting telescope. So reflecting are made of lenses, telescope, and reflecting made up of the mirrors, reflecting telescope. So she decided to make a refractive telescope. Okay, to make a refractive telescope means you have to make the telescope with a lens. So she bought the 2 lenses they are given in the figure, L1 and L2, out of which L1 was bigger and L2 was smaller. Okay, the larger lens gathers and bends the light, while the smaller lens magnifies the image. Big, thick lenses are more powerful, so to see far away she needed a big, powerful lens. Unfortunately, she realized that a big lens is very heavy. Heavy lenses are hard to make and difficult to hold at the right place. Also, since the light is passing through the lens, the surface of the lens has to be extremely smooth. Any flaws in the lens will change the image. It would be like looking through a dirty window. So based on the diagram shown, what kind of lenses would Sumati need to make the telescope? Concave lens, convex lens, bifocal lens, and flat lenses. Number 19.2. If the power of lens L1 and L2 are in the ratio of 4:1, what would be the ratio of the focal length of L1 and L2? Options are 4:1, 1:4, 2:1, 1:1. So then what is the formula of magnification obtained with a lens? Ratio of height of image to the height of object. Because you have learned the definition of magnification of a lens, no? So you have to answer from here. Ratio of height of image to height of the object. Then is it double the focal length, inverse the radius of curvature, inverse the object distance. Okay, then we have 19.4. Sumati did not preliminary experiment. Sumati did some preliminary experiment with the lenses and found out that the magnification of the eyepiece L2 is 3. If in her experiment with L2 she found an image at 24 cm from the lenses, at what distance did she put the object? 72 cm, 12 cm, 8 cm, 6 cm. Okay. Now we go to 19.5. Now Sumati bought not so thick lenses for the telescope and polished them. What advantage, if any, would she have with her choice of lenses? Okay. So option A, she will not have any advantage, as even thicker lenses would give the clear images. Thicker lenses would have made the telescope easier to handle, and then not so thick lenses would not make the telescope very heavy and also allow considerable amount of light to pass. And then option D, not so thick lenses would give her more magnification. Okay, number 20 now. Okay, read the following and answer any 4 questions 21 to 20, Roman 5. A solenoid is a long helical coil of wire through which a current is run in order to create a magnetic field. The magnetic field of the solenoid is the superposition of the fields due to current through each coil. It is nearly uniform inside the solenoid and close to zero outside and is similar to the field of a bar magnet, having a north pole at one end and south pole of the other depending on the direction of current flow. The magnetic field produced in the solenoid is dependent on a few factors such as the current in the solid coil, number of turns per coil, number of turns per unit length, etc. So, the following graph is obtained by a researcher while doing an experiment to see the variations of the magnetic field with respect to the current in the solenoid. The unit of magnetic field given in the graph, a test is in milli-Tesla MT, and the current is given in ampere. Okay, so the magnetic field is given in milli-Tesla and current is in ampere. So this graph here, x-axis current and y-axis magnetic field. So here the questions are: which type of energy conversion is observed in the linear solenoid? Okay, linear solenoid, the number A, mechanical to magnetic, electrical to magnetic, electrical to mechanical, and magnetic to mechanical. Okay, then what will happen if a soft iron bar is placed inside the solenoid? The bar will be electrocuted, resulting in short circuit. The bar will be magnetized as long as there is a current in the circuit, and the bar will be magnetized permanently. The bar will not be affected by any means. Okay, then the question number 20: magnetic field lines produced inside the solenoid are similar to that of a bar magnet. B, straight current carrying conductor. C, a circular current carrying loop, and the D, electromagnet of any shape. 24. After analyzing the graph, the student write the following statement: the magnetic field produced by solenoid is inversely proportional to the current. Okay, the magnetic field produced by the solenoid is directly proportional to the current. The magnetic field produced by the solenoid directly proportional to the square of the current. The magnetic field produced by the solenoid is independent of the current. Okay, you have to choose the following. Which of the following would be correct statement? Only 4, 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 4, 1 and 2, only 2. From the graph, deduce which of the following statement is correct. For a current of 0.8 ampere, magnetic field is 13 MT. You have to read the graph and say that. Okay, you have to read the graph and say x-axis and y-axis. You have to go there. There is not enough information. Okay, then for a large current, the magnetic field increases non-linearly. For a current of 0.8 ampere, magnetic field is 1.3 millitelsar, and there is not enough information to find the magnetic field corresponding to 0.8 ampere current. Section B now. The bile juice does not have any digestive enzyme but still plays a significant role in the process of digestion. Justify the statement. Or, in birds and mammals, the left and right side of the heart are separated. Give reasons. Okay, state the events during the process of photosynthesis. Is it essential that these steps takes place one after the other immediately? Give a test. Okay, question number 23 now. Give a test that can be used to confirm the presence of carbon in a compound with valency of 4. How is carbon able to attain the noble gas configuration in its compounds? Or the number of the carbon compounds is more than those formed by all other elements put together? Justify the statement by giving 2 reasons. Then next question will be the following. Following observations were made by student on treating metal PQRS with the given salt solution. Metals are given there and salt solutions are given there. So sample P, magnesium sulfate, no reaction. If P reacts with the zinc nitrate, reaction occurs. If P reacts with calcium sulfate, reaction occurs. P reacts with sodium sulfate, no reaction. Q, with the magnesium sulfate, reaction occur. With the zinc nitrate, reaction occur. With the calcium sulfate, reaction occur. Sodium sulfate, reaction occur. R, with the magnesium sulfate, no reaction. Zinc nitrate, reaction occur. Calcium sulfate, no reaction. With the sodium sulfate, no reaction. Okay, then the S reaction with the magnesium sulfate, no reaction. React with the zinc nitrate, no reaction. The and as reacts with the calcium sulfate, no reaction. With the sodium sulfate also no reaction. Arrangement here. So student has the two resistor 2 ohm and 3 ohm in the figure. She has to put one of them in place of R2 as shown in the circuit. Okay, the current that she needs in the entire circuit is exactly 9 ampere. So by calculation, which of the two resistors she should choose? Okay. So now here section C now. After the self-pollination in pea plants with round yellow seeds, following types of seeds were obtained by Mendel. Seeds and number. Round yellow 630, round green 216, wrinkle yellow 202, wrinkle green 64. Analyze the result and describe the mechanism of inheritance which explain these results. Or, in human, there is a 50% probability of the birth of a boy and 50% probability of that of a girl will be born. Justify the statement on the basis of the mechanism of sex determination in human being. Okay, plastic cups are used to serve tea in trains in early days. Okay, these could be returned to the vendors, cleaned and reused. Okay, later, the cooler were used instead of plastic cups. Now paper cups are used for serving tea. What are the reasons for the shift from the plastic to cooler and then finally to paper cups? Okay, then explain where and how urine is produced. Okay, then we have uh, 30, question number A and B. Two questions are given there. Which of the following reaction are an endothermic reactions where decomposition also happens? Respiration, heating of lead nitrate, decomposition of organic matter, electrolysis of acidified water. So here you have to find out which are endothermic reaction, and in the endothermic reaction decomposition also occur. Decomposition means breaking down of a complex substance also occur. Number B, silver chloride when kept in the open turns gray. Illustrate this with a balanced chemical equation. Okay, then the question number 31 we have. Okay, the following table shows the position of 5 elements A, B, C, D, and E in the modern periodic table. Group and period they have given here. So by looking this table, period number 2, 3 they have given, and the group 1, 2, 3 to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 are given there, and the position of elements are given there. Okay, group 1, group 17, group 18, group 2, and group E, period 2 and 3. Answer the following giving reason. Which element is a metal with valency 2? Okay, which element is least reactive? And then out of D and E, which element has a smaller atomic radius? Okay, explain the formation. 32, explain the formation of the calcium oxide with the help of electron dot structure. Atomic number of calcium 20, chlorine 17. And okay, why do ionic compounds not conduct electricity in solid state but conduct electricity in the molten and aqueous state? Okay, refractive index of water with respect to air is 1.33 and that of diamond is 2.42. In which medium does the light move faster, water or the diamond? And what is the refractive index of diamond with respect to water? Section D. Now we have match the following pH value 1, 7, 10, 13 to the solution given below. Milk of magnesia, gastric juices, brine, aquasodium hydroxide. Amit and Rita decided to bake a cake and added baking soda to the cake batter. Explain with a balanced reaction the role of baking soda. Mention any other use of baking soda. Or the four samples A, B, C, and D change the color of PS paper or solution to green, red, pink, blue, and orange. Their PS was recorded as 7, 2, 10, 5, and 6 respectively. Which of the sample had the highest amount of hydrogen ion concentration? Arrange the four samples in the decreasing order of their pH. Rahul found Okay, students, now with this I come to end of the sample papers for the science CBSE. So you have seen that they have prepared the questions from in between the book. There are understanding type questions are there. A lot of questions are of the understanding types. So you have to read the lines of the syllabus of the science of every chapter very carefully. Understand it so that you can answer the sample papers like this correctly. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you very much.